That's the reason for this car. This is the reason. This is the reason for this scar. And every other scar all over my body. I looked for you. I came back to the same place the neighbor was living, but she was gone. You were not there. That was when I lost hope that I've lost you. Believe me, I searched for you. Even after my husband died in a plane crash, I kept searching for you. I searched for you.
You don't finish? Eh? This one is a super story. You can't talk with this one. They say you search for me, search for me. I can tell you something. All this thing you talk, you know reach anywhere. Eh? You think you talk like it makes sense? It connects? Eh? You know, touch me anywhere. You know, reach me anywhere. You go now.
No.
Eh? No.
See, I searched for you. I searched and searched for you. But God brought you himself to this house. And you were sitting on my couch.
God no brought me anywhere. God no brought me anywhere. Don't tell me where they go.
What more can I say to you?
Where they go?
What more can I say to you? Listen to me. I searched for you. I searched and searched and searched for you everywhere. But God brought you to me. He used his own hand and brought you to my house, and you were sitting on my couch.
God not brought me to you.
And you are my answered prayer.
I don't get everything. God not brought me to your house, anything. That is she talking now. So this woman that the say she's my mama. So now you be my mama.
Yes.
He born me, throw away me now. You know that's come to the point, yeah?
No.
See, I be born throw away.
No.
See, even if I say that's the way your friend talk, right? With the mentee, because I live with that talk since. Hoping say one day I go see my mama. He can't show me now. Say, if you my mama to do, you born me. Okay, they come. Find handsome man.
I know.
He throw away me.
No.
Based on what himself now. Say what? People they beg for children and they cry for children. You get mine, they born me because of a man. You throw away me.
No.
Eh? Even though say when you born me, when you carry my belly, say you did ashamed. On top of me, you did ashamed. Now you ashamed now you make me throw away me. Now you know that's something about ya. Eh? You throw away me.
I'm sorry.
You get mine because they cry for me now. That's a as waiting now.
I'm sorry.
As waiting. He bought me to away me. Also waiting now how?
I'm sorry.
Because of man.
I'm sorry.
Now why can man die for plane crash? So if I mean that now, what you going to talk?
No.
If I they graveyard they cry. No,
please.
No time, no touch me for here. Where will they go now?
Calm down.
Where will they go? No, I don't understand.
Ah,
Laura.
you're back.
Yes, so how far now?
Adele.
Oh.
How was today?
As usual.
Well, it's not easy.
I am totally exhausted. What did you cook? Okay, let me go help myself because I am famished. Laura.
Oh?
Where is my food?
Which food?
Is this not food here?
Not my food now. Did I say it was your food? I ate it. That's the last one.
I don't understand. What do you mean by it's the last one? So what will I eat?
You not feel chop integrity make you use decency wash them down. You go belle full you now, sure?
You cannot just prepare something and eat alone now without keeping for me.
My friend, you know say this food where I cook so, the money where I take cook am, I got it from the money I received with sleeping with men. Do you want to contaminate your holy life? As you say we be a shower now, you know if you negotiate or chop decency, I beg.
Well, it's better than selling myself to all these useless men out there. It's better than sleeping with thousands of men.
Okay. Thousands of men. Decency, church girl.
My dear, there are thousands of decent jobs out there. You can help yourself rather than selling yourself.
No wahala, chop decency. Chop decency, oh, decent girl. Nonsense. Decent girl, my foot. Be deceiving yourself there. Oh. Just imagine. Come and use a shower money. Oh. Decent girl.
Hey, baby.
Ah, girl, you look hot.
Thank you.
Wait. Are you going to see that same guy?
Yes, so he said I should come for a quick one quickly. Russian, I'm going there now.
You have given that guy so much of your sugar. He can't get enough.
Babe, you know I'm a sugar girl. So I'm gonna keep giving him sugar.
Carry on.
So tell me, what were you discussing with Jesus, baby?
My sister. She come. She says she dey hungry. She want chop. She not keep food for her. I say, you know say we be a shower now. I don't want to use a shower money cook for you. You can't miss heaven. You not go nice. You know say you not go nice. Yeah, she vex. You go.
Imagine that girl. She just the mumu herself. She's just wasting her beauty, her youthful age. She's wasting her time entirely.
Tell her.
Imagine she wants to eat food that is sweatful.
A shower money.
She go and hustle. Okay, baby, I'll see you. So let me start rushing.
No wahala.
Right?
Carry better money come.
Okay,
I bet spin again make I see you. Hey, baby, you cool. Enjoy yourself, baby. Shine your eye, oh, when they not do you. Why yo? Decent girl, there is integrity to it, oh.
Your photo don't fall down. Oh yeah, come, carry on. Carry on, Jare, you go just dey look photo every time. What did they do you? They look like person wey mama don lost. That's it be. Come out. Oh yeah, run. This one too much. Oh yeah, do quick. They run. They come. See, if person they walk, they know they do big boy. You go walk like say you want.
Okay, put the sand inside. I beg you. They talk too much.
They talk too much. Wallow more.
If you be Ghana, what we go talk?
Now where be your Ghana now?
You be sand put me. I be sand carrier. You talk nonsense.
Me and you who better pass? They carry sand and they pack for you.
I beg. Man, no give you a backward for yeah.
Eh? You go give me a backward. I never beat you before.
You crazy?
They go.
Come now.
Me, I go beat you. No be like by power. Oh.
They mad for there.
They mad for there. Oh yeah, do quick. Do like man. I say no, they do big boy. Do. Person talk now, you go one beat person. Put that in for
you
jail.
go
Go, you want pour? Abi you know they pour? You want beat me now?
You dey mad, Abi?
You know what collect money, oh?
You dey mad, Abi? Na pour this thing, abeg. I see beans and we're going now with fish. Hey, nah, with coke.
Now that one sure pass.
Everything will just show. I don't go like what.
Now that one sure pass.
Fine. All right. And you know you showed me the last time. I thought you wanted to get it.
I know.
It's really nice.
Excuse me, please. Sorry. Hey, they go come now. They follow you talk now. You tell why you there? Where they go? That's you find brown hair, pink clothes. Come now.
Are you mad? No, is something wrong with you? You look like one of those stupid girls around you.
No, he slapped me. He slapped man.
And I will slap you again if you touch me.
Nora.
Hey, as that's you find, you get on pink dress and a brown hair, be like Beyonce. Can't they classless? You dey slap man, you know they fear. You know they fear, they slap man.
This is retarded, illiterate.
Nora, it's okay. What's wrong with
You're
you?
not one of those girls in your level. Touch me again.
Nora, can you just stop it?
Stop what?
Why did you slap him like that? Sir, please, I'm very sorry. I don't know what came over my friend.
Don't mention, no problem.
You are
No
sorry
problem.
for what?
She's sorry for you now. She's sorry for you because you don't get character.
You know what? I
Look at
don't blame you now. I don't blame you. See, just see. Classless, recognize classless.
Laura, can you
And
just
you be
say
classful,
what's wrong
man.
with you?
What's wrong with you?
You not classful. You don't count that song.
Touch me again. Stop
Classful.
it. I will slap
You go waiting.
It's
Come
okay,
kiss
it's
me
okay.
now.
Rubbish.
That's
Come
the
on,
way
touch
they
me
hear this thing.
again.
And you be my kind girl.
Can get you there? Okay, it's okay.
Move on to the side. Enter one time.
It's okay,
You
sir,
mess
please.
up, you don't miss out. No.
It's okay.
Go on
Please,
your friend,
I'm
nah.
very sorry.
No be today wear pink and brown be class.
I'm
You don't count that
sorry.
sun. You know they sweat anyhow.
I'm sorry, please.
You don't even know whether I mean get this house why they beat for here.
Sorry, sir.
Very useless speaking.
Laura!
Your kind girl to get this kind of
They mad.
Now even the first FIBM we are to see fine boy we no get pay. You no get package. You see get we get package.
You dey find trouble.
You no get package. Now only chest you get.
You dey find trouble.
I beg you go see that you don't be close to me.
You dey find trouble. Sense you no get. See, I don't dey want you for this place. See,
Leave that
I go beat you one day.
thing.
I go beat you one day. You don't.
Don't try. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Laura, you shouldn't hit a man like that in public. It's not right.
So you expect her to let him touch her with his smelly and stupid, stinking hands, right?
See me. I don't think this rubbish girl was even defending the idiot. Hey, I'm so sorry. Did I ask you to apologize on my behalf? Was it your slap? Did I ask you to? See, let this be the first and last time you will try that nonsense with me again. If not, one day one of us go land for hospital. What nonsense?
You still have no reason to hit a man like that because he touched you. Come on. What happened to being the bigger person? Walk away and there will be no fight.
Did I tell you I want to be a bigger person? Did I tell you that I want to be the bigger person? See, let me tell you something. You don't know that when you take it easy with these guys, they will take you for granted. They will think you are in their level. Oh, so you were not there when he was dragging me back, right? You did not see him when he was intentionally pulling me back. Maria, open your eyes. You are not in their level, are you? Are you in their level? They are street boys. Leave street boys alone. We are not in their class. Can't you see the caliber of men we have in our lives? They are not street boys. Learn to maintain steeze. And I'm telling you, open your eyes. Open your eyes!
Don't mind her. That's why they're always taking her like mumu.
Now, when she keeps rolling with classless and useless street boys. Don't open your eyes. Sorry for yourself. Open your eyes, oh! Open your eyes! Classless. You needed to see the way the guy dragged me back.
Seriously. And she was defending him like that. Imagine. God, what rubbish. God, this girl doesn't have, she doesn't have steez at all. Look at that guy.
Hey girls! Guess what? I have finally gotten a job.
Wow, finally.
Yes.
Wow.
That's good news.
Yes.
So, what company did you get a job?
At a restaurant as a server.
Huh? You found a job at a restaurant?
Is anything wrong with that?
With your ND, so you want to end up in a restaurant?
At least I am not selling my body with my ND.
The money we'll make in a month will pay your salary 10 times. So, stop that crap.
How much is your salary? How much is your salary? Did
Exactly.
you say up to 100,000 a month? We
Ow.
make more than that in few seconds. Your problem. What's wrong with you?
Well, this is my best bet. I'll definitely start from somewhere, right? So, I love the fact that I have gotten a job. That's the most important thing. If you don't want to be happy for me, then that's fine. I'm happy.
I'm happy for you. I'm happy for you. Congrats.
I'm happy for you.
Congratulations.
Let me Bohona.
Oh my God. She's working in a restaurant.
In fact, what she just said, I have headache. In a restaurant?
Ha. Sorry, excuse me.
I'm talking to you.
My bag! Tim, somebody help me! My bag, Tim! Somebody help me! My bag, please! Somebody help me! My bag, Tim! Please! Someone just stole my bag now! My money and my phone is inside the bag. They ran towards this way. Please, they stole my bag.
Calm down. What's in that thief?
Some boy snatched my bag from
Some
me and I
boys.
have my phone and money inside.
Calm down. At the time you calm down, you know they calm down. You dey safe. No worry yourself. Where they go? Which side they go?
They ran towards this way, this direction.
side?
Yes.
I put your slippers on. No, they fear. You don't calm.
Me, I'm fine.
See, as you dey with me now, you don't dey safe. Yeah? I'll carry go with them day. Come. How do I take this?
I don't know. I can't recognize them.
Nah. Okay. The boy told one kind.
I don't know. I didn't even see them. Well,
No worry, calm down. I got you. No,
Just something there. Something good there now. Check calm now. You see better food for the waiting be this 3,000 guy.
But I thought I wish now. You know, see, I mean, this phone I say we sell ourselves gonna see better money.
Just
I
not
thought
better food. Just not better food.
Ah, for you.
With all this kind of food, sir.
Check them now. I thought now.
No problem.
Charlie.
Where are you, sir?
Everywhere good,
guys,
okay?
I'm
Charlie.
fine now.
Fine, good afternoon, sir.
Everything good, Abby.
Everywhere good, alright.
I'm on side now. Work they go well.
Everywhere man.
Very good. My babe thought say when I borrow her bag now.
What's the baby? This?
Yes, my baby this.
What's no verse? You know, no sinner.
Oh no.
I know the best. I went there and say when I no be thief. Say when I just borrow the bag.
No,
say when I wan keep am because of bad boys wey full here plenty.
Yes,
plenty.
So una borrow
You
the
don't
bag.
book everything.
Na so. So where the bag now? I will give am back the bag now.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, that's
Now be that Abi.
Yes, now
You sef you go put am on top on top the table.
No, we don't know. We don't know sinner.
You don't do well.
See normal.
You carry and go put am on top that
See
kind
normal.
place.
Everywhere good. Everywhere good.
You go collect one no.
That place dope. See normal.
But na the place now, you no go put am like that.
One,
As you
everywhere
wan keep
good.
back, say put am for better place na.
Boss, no.
Come no give me the bag, make I give am.
No verse, eh?
Check am if everything dey inside, eh?
Check.
If your money complete, say the money no squeeze.
no, it's complete.
And your phone, Kwanu.
My phone is here.
The bag is cracked.
No.
You
Everything
know
is
scratch.
fine. Thank you.
Everywhere tidy, Abi.
Thank you.
Oh, the world. Salute you.
Everywhere man. Senior man.
Mama, don't worry. Next time, now you be the mama of this area. Don't
Yes,
worry. I know everywhere. good.
Everywhere good.
So now they go now, work no day to do.
Normal
thing.
Normal.
Dara. Foolish people.
Hey, thank you. Thank you very much.
Everything dey okay for the bag, Abi?
Yes, everything is fine.
You know say this area where you come now na dangerous area. And a very, very bad area. Even they lucky. Because normally, if these bad boys been see when they don't smoke igbo, can't take crack, they for not come up pants now.
Hey.
And they go enter. They go enter. They go do you bad thing. They go like that.
Thank you.
But the reason why I help you, not even because I say you find girl. You know, say that day, you get one day where one girl, we no get manners, we wear pink dress and brown hair.
Yes, my
Where they insult me that
my
day.
friend, yes.
Now you come, you tell us everything she do, no, they good. So I don't look and say you be good girl. Say you be good girl. So now I say we can help you.
Thank you.
So which side should they go?
Just down the street.
Oh, now your house be that. I mean,
Yes, that's my house.
Because this area know they good. I go escort you go house.
Hey,
So that
thank you.
when they know see, because them plenty. It be like police checkpoints. He pass one, see on that one for front.
Hey.
You understand? No, make we use this side. The road for here. And just come with me. No fear anything, you know. You there for a safe hand like this. Come. Give you how far now?
You scared me.
How body?
I'm fine.
No, they fear. I just make I dey here wait for you because you go house by this time. I go come escort you go house. Should I ask you to go now?
Yes.
I don't say you go house at this kind of time. Don't worry yourself. As far as I say I did this place like this, nobody go take your party again. It's secure. Now as we spoke, it's secure. No wahala.
Thank you.
Where will they go now? How work today, Sha?
So this is where I live with my friends.
Nah, no be small thing, no. This is a place tight. See everything just the sparkle. See this one now, be like saying 1 million. That is 2 million for two of them.
Well, we're just managing ourselves here.
This time pass manager. You must be get kind one. No be manager again. You don't reach comfortable.
Anyway, you're welcome. Please sit.
Thank you. Hey.
Okay, let me quickly get you water to drink.
I beg, mortuary standard. Good
All
one,
right.
very chill.
I'll be right back.
Yeah. This small thing. You don't get money, Big girl doing big things. Hello. How are you?
What's going on here?
Tell me what's going on here.
This has come back. Hey, little boy, what are you doing here? Maria! Maria!
What am I not doing here?
Maria!
You invite me.
Maria, what is this dirty thing doing here?
I don't understand. He's my friend and my guest.
He's your friend and your guest, so you brought him to our space.
I don't get it. But you're bringing your friends and boyfriends to this house.
Excuse you? We only bring high-class men and men of high calibers, not some tout and ugly-looking idiots.
I will not have you talk about my guest like that. I also contribute to the rent of this house, so I have equal rights.
Now, that is why your life is bent. I mean, just look at the thing you are allowing to our space. Just look at him. This dirty thing. Huh?
You will not talk to my guest like that.
And if
Laura.
I do?
You're not going anywhere.
I'm not going anywhere before now. No, you invite me come. They invite me come. Who will this one?
If anything gets missing in this house, I'll hold you both responsible.
They come. This small girl, I mean they call thief.
Yes.
You will be like second-hand furniture. With your nyash like 4x4. You there they follow me to talk. Come, mind yourself. If they clean it, you come now, be like Ozu. There they talk nonsense.
What are you?
You want talk?
What are you?
You want talk? With your forehead like Harry Maguire.
Oh, really?
Okay.
This one will be like Manchester United fan. You there they talk.
You are in my space.
LLLLLG. Plus the blue. Chance you be chinge. Make I get trans something now.
It's okay.
No,
Just stop.
Maria! Please, I don't want to go out there and come back and meet this thing here.
You go come back.
You will not
You
tell
go-
me
you
what
go
to
come
do
back.
in my own house. Can you imagine?
This is that 4x4 nyash. One follow us they talk.
Please,
Eh?
I'm so sorry, okay? I'm sorry for everything that happened just
No worry,
now.
no worry. Don't be your fault. I mean, if I check and myself, those girls, I should say now you they contribute pass for them for the rent. How much do they contribute inside?
It's okay.
Mannerless girls who don't get respect for anybody.
It's okay. I'm
That's
sorry,
the
okay?
they insult man.
It's
Eh?
okay. Laura, what's the meaning of this nonsense now? What are you doing?
What is the meaning of what? After all, you're the reason why this place is smelling like a den for a he-goat. See, don't bring that kind of person to this place again. Do you hear me?
But you know this house is not smelling. You're just being extra.
Wait. This place is not smelling like this. Maria, you can't perceive the smell. I don't even blame you because you're used to that kind of smell already. But wait. What are you doing with him? Eh? What are you doing with him? To the extent that you brought him to our space. Are you dating him?
I am not dating him. He's a friend and a very good one at that. So please, deal with it.
So out of all the people to choose as friend, is that dating thing? Mariako! Mariako, you're smelling, no! It's not funny, stop laughing.
It's funny. Oh my god. Oh, Jesus, this girl will not kill me.
You can't perceive the smell.
I can't.
I should spray more, right?
Yeah, spray the chairs everywhere. Please.
I'm not
Put
going
down.
to sit here again.
This stinks.
I'm not going to sit there again.
God.
I kept increasing your salary each time I found out that things were getting harder for you. I kept doing that. Haven't I done well?
You have done well, ma'am.
Did I not impress you and the other co-workers?
Yes, you did, ma'am.
Then you decided to pay me back by stealing my properties to sell? You even sold my car parts. What is wrong with you?
I'm sorry, madam. My devil work, madam.
Devil?
Yes, ma'am.
You call the devil? You see that devil that dragged you into this will drag you out of my premises.
Forgive me, ma'am. I'm sorry, ma'am. Please forgive me, madam.
I should forgive you.
My devil work, madam. Forgive me. I'm sorry, madam.
You are fired.
Madam, I beg, madam. I no go do am again.
John.
I beg, madam.
John,
I beg.
will you stand up from there?
I'm sorry.
Get out.
Forgive me, ma'am. I'm sorry, madam.
Get out. I don't want to see you around me, around my premises. Did you hear me? Get out! Bloody thief! Out! And imagine. No more good workers and genuine workers around anymore. Just to open car doors and drive me around the city. He decided to sell my properties and steal them.
Sorry, ma, sorry.
Gladys, I want you to make a call. Please notice anywhere. I need another driver as soon as possible. I need a replacement. Did you hear me?
Yes, ma.
Get me one.
Okay, ma.
Go. Rubbish.
You gather mind waka for night come here. Eh? You know they try these boys again. Your mind don't talk with that.
I just thought of you and I know you've not had anything. So I decided to bring you food.
Hey, you carry food come from? Nah, they don't be small thing. Thank you, eh?
So, tell me, did you go to work today?
I go. I don't go. Come back now. Nothing big.
What do you mean?
As I come out, go find work and I work no day. Come back. At least our kind work is different. Sometimes you go come out, you no go see job do. Sometimes you go come out, you go see job do. The day you see job do, you do. The day you don't see job do, you thank God now. That's our job today.
what you should do.
What's with that?
Maybe you just look for a stable job. I mean, anything at all, but stable. Something I'll be taking you out every day. And giving you.
Oh, give me another book. I want to see stable job with you. I don't know book.
Come on,
Okay,
we'll
that's
try
it.
first.
We go try now. We go try.
Oh yeah, eat.
I'm not that hungry now. Go.
Who is this? What do you mean by
Nothing.
your mom? Is she dead?
No.
What do you mean by you don't know? So what do you now know?
I don't know whether she don't die. I don't know whether she dead alive. Just to know say I get my son. In fact, this picture na the only thing wey they make me know say I don't for country. Say na woman born me. I don't know whether she don't die, whether she don't dey. I don't even enter matter. This picture, I think they there to me, but you know me, child. The only family where I get now. I look at just say I get something somewhere. Like another guy. He did, but now human being they do am. Mr. Go run am now.
Yes, definitely you run it.
Nah.
All these things are vanity.
Eva. Me say I want that vanity. Make me and vanity, make we dey play Ludo. You know understand? If the vanity, no be person dey live for inside the vanity. Make I follow them dey live the vanity now.
You cannot compare that to the promises of heaven.
That's
what I
you don't understand. Make person live heaven for earth. If you can't die, can't go hellfire and go. You dey hell for here, dey hell for that side. Nah, no be so now. You go first dey heaven for earth, you can't dey heaven for that side. See me that?
Drivers needed. Yes.
Me I fit do anything. I fit do driver.
I think you should try and apply.
Nothing I no fit do. I fit do plumber. I fit do driver. I fit even do hair styling. You know? I even sabi give head.
We are not talking about head.
If you want that one, I go down. Where?
No, not that one.
Nothing I don't sabi do.
Just, can you get the number? Where's your phone? Bring your phone.
Is it there? Yeah.
Call the number. At least if you apply, let's see if they'll give you the job. Bring it.
Put them now. Shey dem dey serious like this?
Of course they are serious.
Because they put am here now, plenty people don dey call them now.
You too call. Just try. At least I'm sure you'll get the job.
I know they like stress for my life. You don't understand?
Yeah.
We'll call them. We'll call them.
Please, let's try. Try I want.
No worry. Make I tell you, see that house now. So sorry, now you be the cook and be na house girl. Which are be your work for you?
House girl.
Okay. I just want to show my colleague now in future. Girl. Nah, this house fine, cha. Maybe just give me one room for boys cut out. Hey. So the job just hey. Now money good do with small thing. You just knock me one better room for voice cutter like this. Hey! Give me this kind of television and air condition.
And who is that sitting on my couch uninvited?
Mama! Tuale ma! 2 fingers in the air for you, man. My house gorgeous. Mad, everything so. I greet you, man.
Who offered you a chair?
I offer myself a chair, you know. Based on say as I come, I don't want to stress you, make you dey rest, you know. As make I just sit down and wait for you. So when you finish, you come down, come jam me. And I mean,
You cannot just come into someone's house and offer yourself a chair.
no, but I can now.
No, you cannot.
I can. No, that's how I fit now because based on say I don't come from a place now. I also when they stand up. I go sit down and wait now. You don't understand? I go sit down and wait for you. When you finish, you come, you go do meeting.
To think that you even came here to look for a job, you're already misbehaving.
I think I don't understand. I think misbehave. When I don't get money, I just say that be God. No, they do like that now. I don't even come back for job. Now I put up for jail, say that they find driver. Now I beg us for job. I come see me I find job too.
You are even handling my remote.
Of course.
Touching my TV.
Yeah, the family I will watch.
Are you from the bush? Don't you have the simplest of manners and ethics? Huh?
This is not the time.
What are you even saying? What kind of language is that? Yuck.
This one man is speak now na Igbo. I'm Igbo boy now. And they give you original Igbo accent. You na Bodo will come now. No original. If you go to America now when you talk like this now, your own you don't even nya because when they watch film, Tom Cruise, James Bond, they don't pass this one now. So it's not the original accent why they use for you so.
Look at this mannerless boy. Mannerless boy that came to my house to look for a job. You're even insulting me.
I don't dey beg for the job.
You're insulting
Now
me.
you put am for there, you dey beg for
Well,
them.
let me tell you something. You need to go and learn some manners and even a little good English. Yes.
Nah, you show me something work for you. I don't work for you because I forgot park you for 10 million bridge. I will just park you there, make you just a trek. They collect fresh air. You need it because the way you work out, you person you need them. Yeah, you need them. You just work out to collect fresh air. Which kind of talk be that one? Mister, I don't even want to come back here again.
Will you get out of my house?
No be like that now. You go give me this thing now, transport. That's in come on Sunday account. You go just go like that. You go give me some.
I said, leave my house before I call the police on you.
You go find me transport while you use go now. You know.
I said, leave my house
Okay.
before I call the police on you.
That thing. Give me transport I use go. You have to come from one place come here. You use some kind of get that like that. That's why they take it.
Who brought this guy into my house?
Nah. Anyway.
Gladys!
No, I don't want that.
Look at! And even came to look for a job. He's been so insolent. Wow, God must be seeing a whole lot of things. Hey bro, what's this? What's this rubbish? And he even sat down here. Imagine. What's this? How did you get... Gladys! Gladys!
Yes, Mom.
Come, go outside. Look for that guy. Look for that man. Hurry up and tell him, look for that man. Tell him to come back here. How did he get this? How did he get this picture? Who's that?
What?
How far?
I did not see him.
He just left. He's somewhere around. He couldn't have gone far.
I don't know. It's like he follows some other street. I can't find him.
Okay, get me the CCTV footage, okay? I want his whole picture, everything. I want his full face.
Okay.
Now print it right away.
Ma, beg, did they steal anything? I hope there's no problem.
No! Just get me what I said now. Hurry up. I want everything, okay? Yes. Hello, Inspector. Yes. Good afternoon. I am sending you some pictures, okay? Yes. I need to know where he lives. I need to know who he is. I need to know where he lives. I don't need to know why my picture is with him. Yes. I just need everything. Everything I need to know, okay? Thank you. I'm sending it immediately. Thank you. How did he get this picture? How do I get to see this guy? Why is it with my picture?
Oh.
Maria, what's the worry you now? Eh? What's the worry you? I didn't see that picture they put to me. Why you go carry the picture?
Hey, which picture again?
Picture why I show you for that day. Why you go carry her? I didn't see that I have to bring something to me. Why you carry her now?
I did not take your picture.
So who carry her now?
I don't know, maybe you should
Nobody they come this house with you. Nobody they come here. Now
Then
you
check
come
your
here.
trousers and I'll check your bags. Check
I
inside.
don't check
very
everywhere.
well.
I don't see her anywhere.
I did not touch your picture. This was where I saw it that day now. I didn't take your picture.
Oh God.
Maybe you should just go inside and check your bags, check your pockets.
So that's not lost like this now.
Where was
You
the
don't
last-
lost like this
where
now.
was the last place you
Not be you who I say I would last.
Me. Where did you go last? First, think of where you went to last.
Oh.
Chuka,
Yeah?
hurry now, let's go.
I don't finish now. She are they cute.
You're okay this way.
I this woman when I tell you now, we watch me come for her house. When you saw me that day.
Oh, where you go find driver work?
Imagine. Come, what I would think how they come my cabal. You don't say my days with this. No be your mansion. If you come here, I go insult you anyhow, come out you. And if you say you come find me to give me that job, I don't want them again. So just they go back where they come from. Why do you look me like that now? If you don't get to talk, come up here.
Chuka.
My picture. How did it enter your hand?
You left this on my couch.
See, madam, I know they carry this picture play. Because of this, I think get better wahala with you. We'll get better issue for here. We can't be this one now.
It's because of this picture that I came.
Yeah.
It's very important.
I know your type now. Sugar mommy, no see am. You don't see fine boy. You don't find me come here. See, I don't want the driver work again. I don't want anything again. You did very rude. Just call yourself they come up for here. Where will they go? Madam, wait, come they go and they come out.
Wait, Chuka, just hold on.
This woman is something that day now. Which time say just
But
hold
she
on
said
now.
it's very important.
Important for waiting. I don't want to hear what she want to talk.
Can you just hear
This
her
one be
out?
like sugar mommy. That day I like what? That say he just look me see my shape, abi.
Chuka.
I beg, madam, they
Chuka,
go.
Wait, just calm down.
Nah, no need to calm down now. Make she
Listen
dey
to
go
me.
now.
Wait, she said it's important. Let's just listen to her.
I don't hear you. What do you want to talk?
Take a look at that picture.
You don't tell me what to do. I know as the picture table, and I make it. I look at every day. So which one is concerned? Take a look at the picture.
Look at the picture. Look at me. Look at me.
Nah, it's what this woman they talk now. See, they can't say which they play for me. Say, now you be the woman with this picture. How will I take resemble? Eh? No, now say that they pass through for this life now. That time where they grow up now, they get one time where they walk for streets. One mad woman look me tell me say she be my mama. I look at her, I almost even believe her. Now see, now after how many years now, you come they talk say, nah she be my mama.
See,
If you dey find fine boy, why fine boy? Okay, yeah, you don't see fine boy now. Talk your mind. Talk as they do you for body. You don't come to talk to your pikin.
okay.
Which kind of talk with that one?
See, if you doubt me so much, I still have that picture in my bag. I have other ones that I can even show you in my phone.
Yeah, beg. Yeah, where will they go?
Listen.
Wait, just hear her out.
I have it.
Yeah, waiting now.
I have it in my. I even have it in my phone.
On top waiting as hear her out on what?
Listen to me. I am not happy sitting here and saying all these things to you. I am not happy. But life happened. It happened that I got pregnant with you when I was single. It brought me shame. It brought me disgrace. It brought me reproach. My parents were disappointed. My friends even advised me to get rid of you, but I couldn't. I couldn't because you were my first fruit and I loved you. I'm happy even seeing you here, sitting here, because I love you so much. About a year and a half, my husband came asking for my hand in marriage. But I was scared. You know why I was scared? Because if he found out about you, he was going to cancel the marriage. So I gave you to my neighbor. I gave it to my neighbor to take care of you. I was paying your fees. I took care of you. I bought your clothes. I bought your shoes. I took care of you. I even paid her house rent. But then the accident happened. as it happened, kept me bedridden for a whole year. That's the reason for this scar. This is the reason. This is the reason for this scar. And every other scar all over my body. I looked for you. I came back to the same place the neighbor was living, but she was gone. You were not there. That was when I lost hope that I've lost you. Believe me, I searched for you. Even after my husband died in a plane crash, I kept searching for you. I searched for you.
You don't finish. Eh? This one a super story. You can't talk with this one. They say you search for me, that for me. I can tell you something. All this thing where you talk, you know reach anywhere. Eh? You think you talk now? It makes sense. It connects. Eh? You know, touch me anywhere. You know, reach me anywhere. They go now.
No.
Eh? No.
See, I searched for you. I searched and searched for you. But God brought you himself to this house. And you were sitting on my couch.
God no brought me anywhere. God no brought me anywhere. I don't tell me where they go.
What more can I say to you?
Where they go?
What more can I say to you? Listen to me. I searched for you. I searched and searched and searched for you everywhere. But God brought you to me. He used his own hand and brought you to my house, and you were sitting on my couch.
God not brought me to you.
And you are my answered prayer.
I don't have anything. God not brought me to your house, anything. That is she talking now. So this woman now look me say she's my mama. So now you be my mama.
Yes.
He born me, throw away me now. You know that something for you.
No.
Say I be born throw away.
No.
See, even better say that's what your friend talk. Right with the mentee. Because I believe with that talk since. Hoping say one day I go see my mama. He can't show me now. Say if you mama to do, you born me. Okay, they come. Find handsome man.
I know.
He throw away me.
No.
Based on what himself now. See what? People they beg for children and they cry for children. You get mine, they born me because of a man. You throw away me.
No.
Eh? Even though say when you born me, when you carry my belly, say you did ashamed. On top of me, you did ashamed. Now they ashamed now you make me throw away me. Now you know that's something about ya. Eh? You throw away me.
I'm sorry.
You get mine, you come they cry for me now. That's a so I waiting now.
I'm sorry.
That's waiting.
I'm sorry.
He bought me to wear me. Also waiting now how?
I'm sorry.
Because of man.
I'm sorry.
Now why that man die for plane crash? So if I mean that now, what you for talk?
No.
If I find the graveyard they cry. No,
please.
No time, no touch me for ya. Where will they go now? Where will they go? No, I don't understand.
Say that kind of person. Now, to say that she born me, say that kind of person they will exist. That person will born people the way. Eh? See, a person like that, this one will born picking just throw away because of man. If to say to that woman, now even my mama, say she born me, abandon me. Even better she die now. Which kind of mama be that one? Me born picking abandon because of man. Even get mind, mouth to talk and confident, say, because of man, they abandon. Nah,
That's not the case. Look, I wish we can really change what happens in our lives or control our lives.
It's life. When the one when they take care of me die, when she buy, you know my eyes see for streets. I don't see Shege, I don't see Banza, I don't see Damburoba. I don't see Kutuma Buru Banka.
Just have to let this woman love you like a mother again and be your woman. That's all. Okay.
Hey, Ogene. Eh?
Chukadibe, please. You have to listen to me. Please.
See, make you know for your whole life, call me that name again. No try am again. No try am again, the blood go flow. Come on for here. I don't tell you to me you no come here again. You still carry yourself, they come here. Madam, come on for here.
Please.
Come on for here now. I don't get issue with you. Come on for here now.
Please listen to me.
Come on for here now. Come on for here.
You are the only one I've seen with him. You're the only one I can run to. Tell me, are you his girlfriend?
No, ma. He's just my friend, that's all.
Well, that still works. I need your help. I wanted to talk to my son. I need your help. Please, help me talk to my son. He doesn't want to see me, and that's why I can't get close to him. Please,
Ma,
help me.
he's reacting in a way many people will react in his shoes.
I know.
I just hope you understand. I think we should just give him some time.
How much longer? As it seems, I don't think he will ever come around.
Okay, I'll try my best and talk to him.
Okay.
But there is something you must know about Chuka.
Okay.
He has lived his life hoping that you're somewhere waiting.
How do you mean?
That picture you saw, he carries it everywhere he goes. To work, to the streets, to everywhere. According to what I know about him, he has suffered fending for himself since childhood. But you see that picture, whenever he's down, he picks it up, looks at it, and draws strength from it. I feel like it stands as a beacon of strength to him.
It was never in my plan. It was never in my plan to see him grow up all by himself. It was not my plan.
It's okay, Ma.
It was not my plan.
It's okay, please. I'll talk to him, but I just hope he understands. It's left for him to make a choice. I should be on my way now.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Adma, you should stop crying. Okay, please just stop crying. Alright now.
Thank you. Chukwuka Dibia, it was never in my plan to let you grow up by yourself. No.
Hey, that reminds me. I met with your mom today.
Now, why you call that woman my mama now? Eh? No, they do that kind of thing. Why you find trouble like this? No, they call that woman my mother.
Come on, Chuka. That woman means well. See, I feel like she's had a fair share of her own punishments looking for you for decades. I don't think you understand what it means for a woman to carry her child in her womb and bore him. She has suffered. And that's possibly the reason she doesn't have other children.
Suffer ways to do press up. Eh? You never suffer yet.
Chuka, she's looking for you because she cares about you. She wants to make up for all her mistakes. Heal the wound the last lost years has created in the hearts of you two. And to be able to bond again. And that, Chuka, is what I know you can do for her.
If she define makeup now, makeup artist full everywhere. Make them go do her, paint her face for her. Eh? So okay, make I give her a chance, make she can't do it now. Make she can't tell me how she take abandon me for man. Which kind of explanation for this whole world now? They person won't give you say he abandon you for man.
A chance to be your mother again. That's all she wants.
Now change topic I beg now. We'll talk something else. Which time be this one now? Yeah.
But if you notice, your interest is all I care about. This woman is looking for you. And I feel like this is for good. Please, she wants to make up for her mistake. She made a mistake. We all make mistakes too. Please, just listen to her. Okay?
Please forgive me. I'm sorry. I waited for a moment like this. I prayed and I craved for this moment. I know I can't bring back those terrible years that you wasted. I'm sorry. I lost my own soul while I was searching for you, so it is worth every tears. It is worth every tears. I lost my own soul. I lost my own soul. This is your house now. This is your house now. From now onwards, this is your house. Even if you don't want to stay here with me, we have another house in the heart of the town. You can choose that one. But please, leave me. Don't leave me. Don't leave me again. Please. 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 Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I know you have a part in this. I know you're filled with wisdom. Thank you. Thank you, my child. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Chikuka. Thank you.
Yeah. Come on in. Check out now.
Jesus Christ of Nazareth.
Now, ask now. No, the film. See everything. Now, see the cushion.
Wait, for real, this is your house?
I say even myself, I just look the thing. I don't feel believe myself. See everything. Now, even internet today, there. 5G wireless. I don't go lie for you.
This is beautiful. You mean all this for you?
Yes, now everything for me, man. You know.
Just
in fact,
like that?
For us, you know, because this house now, now you will push me to this place.
I don't understand.
How you going to understand? Now you push me come this place. Now you push me say I go get work. He push me self. You now you even see this thing where they forget
The poster.
Poster for gate. Let me say I go do driver work. I can't reach there. Even as the thing can't spoil, you still can't push me. When I go back there, I go make peace with mama. So now you push me. In fact, God will use you. Push me.
No, it's actually God's doing, not mine.
And you too. God usually push me. Your own part there inside. Now see, now we don't do mansion like this.
This is beautiful.
Thank you. But you don't say our house be this.
Our house?
Of course.
How? I don't understand.
Yes, now. As my baby now. No, our house be this.
But we're not dating.
I say who? Say who? Look, now you think say we know they date. For my mind, they date since. You don't tell me they date. You just know say we they date.
So, are you like asking me out?
I know they ask you out, or they ask you in. That is that they ask you, say, make you be my girlfriend, official. I be you know what? Talk, make them don't call use you now. Talk.
I want.
You want? Try. Make I show you kitchen and upstairs. Come.
Okay.
Because now here you're gonna use key foul. All the goats when this community now, you don't come out your neck. See
this is so big.
Nice, Adi.
Wow.
The one goes. The one goes. See now.
This is big. Oh.
And air conditioner there inside.
for Sika. I don't understand. What do you mean?
Maybe that guy don't go steal person car. Because if they catch him, they will arrest the both of you and burn you both to ashes. God forbid.
What is God forbid? So where did he get the car from? Wait. This guy don't they do driver work? Then he can't carry your car. Can't carry you, drop for house, make you take pepper or say. And you can't sit down. Gallant for front seat, like say your husband car. Abi?
Well, if you must know, that's his car.
His car. Where you get them from? In your dreams, Abi?
Well, I don't have time for so much explanations. That's his car and so many other luxury things. Wait a minute. You both think the world goes according to your own syllables? If you want to see more, I can take you there.
Excuse me.
Wait. His cars, luxury things. I bet this guy don't go do juju.
No lie, she dey cap.
So just sit and make yourself comfortable, okay? Hey, babe.
Baby, welcome.
Yeah?
Oh, no.
I'm good.
How's everything?
Fine. My friends are here with me.
Hello. Ngwanyana, you know your way around the house now.
Sure.
Everything here is your own. There's even a drink in the kitchen. So
Okay.
enjoy yourself. I mean, I'll be upstairs.
All right.
Okay, see ya.
Okay. Please, can you just sit and Laura, are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine.
Okay, just sit, relax. Let me get you something to drink.
A lot can really happen in a short time. And to think it was me this guy came after first. Why did I insult him? This is my head. This lady they borrowed me from my village. Why did I insult him?
Well, there is no need for regret.
What are you feeling like now? Well, no qualms. Me, I'm not worried. It was me he came right onto. It's fine. Now to just give a small green light, go shake body small, and it will fall right back into my arms. No problem. Nothing spoiled.
Well, you can give it a try.
What does that even mean? Are you trying to compete with me?
Me compete with you? No, it's not competition. Just massage your ego.
Don't worry. I will collect what is rightfully mine. Don't worry. Is it not me? It's Laura now. Nothing spoiled at all.
Havana. Wait a minute.
About chill
Eh? What's it mean?
Calm down now.
So you don't see my gear here, it's in front of the door.
No, wait.
Calm down now. Shoot. Come here,
What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? What's the meaning of that?
Show yourself here now. I'll show you something. Nah.
Can you just stop? What's the meaning of this now? Why are you embarrassing me?
But so, person don't feel if I get the pass.
Chuka, can you just stop this?
Stop
What's the
it,
meaning
Nina.
of this nonsense
No,
now?
I don't stop now. Person don't see, they toast you.
You
See
should
them
have at
mad?
least wait to hear what he had to say.
What do you want to talk? Person they follow you talk, they do like this. Now I thought you want
Can
toast
you please
now.
just stop it? I don't like it. I'm a young girl and a beautiful one at that.
Sorry now. Now as they try do me, you understand? Make all these boys around this hood. Make them know say you my gear, you my confirm
Is this how
gear.
you're going to continue fighting?
Not be fighting, I dey defend my property now. You check them now. Eh? Person just see you come they toast you, no get respect.
Please
You being type.
Let's go.
Eh? Oh, you know very sorry. I no go.
Can you just open
I
the
no
car?
go
Let
fight
me leave.
again. Now calm down now. I no fight again. Yeah, I no fight again. So where you want to go chop food now? Just tell me.
Make I carry you go somewhere.
Just leave me alone. Let's go. Let's just go.
Yeah, small. This girl, you know the verse, so. Yeah? You know the verse, yeah? Make I see you near my get like an idiot.
Shout to all of my guys where they with me. Shout to all of my guys from the beginning. I dey shout for Baba we see me. Baba God lift me up now at the ceiling. Now me and the Pete they wavy. Long time I've been waiting. From nothing to something, I don't rise up. Now grace of God in my side. Oh. From nothing to something, I don't rise up.
You're just like embarrassing me everywhere we go. What's the meaning of this now? See the way you're eating.
How I take the chop will be embarrassment.
You don't know that if you're eating, you eat with little composure.
I want to come compose for this one again now.
You still carry this your lifestyle, your street lifestyle. Enter this new lifestyle of yours.
This one now, Eba and goosey soup now. You just like this how you do. Okay. I don't see am now. Now this cutlery where they use chop. Now be the composure. Now be yam. This one I look at food now. Igbo man food. You know how you want to chop am with
Cutlery.
cutlery.
Yes.
You know get.
If you're eating, eat with little steeze and composure.
You know then now. This one I hand the chop am. This thing if you get us to take chop am with this thing now, if you reach out to go purge 6 weeks, ancestors will dey vex for you. Say you dey carry fork they chop their food.
But at least if you want to eat, you close your mouth and eat. No, that's not how to eat.
No, I don't want to. How they want that mouth?
See, with your new class and level, you shouldn't be doing all these things you're doing. You won't carry your old lifestyle and come into this new one.
It's
not nice now.
You're doing that part. Chop your food now. Not see how class and money can affect stomach and the food.
See, I was thinking. I don't know about you. I don't know how you see it, but I think you need to go back to school.
To go do it in Wadiana.
To go and learn. There are certain things you need to learn.
I don't feel like that one. That one for small children. How they go like me go come the entire school? They follow small children. They wear short nika and shirt. Carry school bag. They go school. Who does that?
That's not it. There's something they call adult school. So you're not going to school with kids.
I don't do those type now. They don't get any kind of school.
They have
So if I get children tomorrow now, me and my children go they dress up for morning they go school.
They have adult school. That's where you go to. At least there's certain things you need to learn.
Like what? How to chop with quarter lady.
How to eat well, communication skills, and all of that. A whole lot of things.
I know they do. It is not. Yeah, it is not meant for me. You know, they meant for me. They be my own. I want to chop money, make money, chop better food. Life goes on.
But when you're making the money, you still need to learn. You need to know some things. That's why you need to go back to school. So think about it.
Why don't they chop your food now? Chop food now. They hear they talk on that. If that one, we'll talk on later.
That's what I'm talking about. Table manners.
So if the thing do, you know what do.
That's not how to build. You not do like that.
I beg, make I see.
When you want to belch, you belch and you close your mouth.
I do, make I see.
Because I'm not bad. You want me
now
to
once the kind style, you won't use them now.
When you want to belch, you close your mouth and belch.
You go. Nah, this guy. They get as if I don't know, I thought you know go school. You want bed to close mouth. Who does that?
You won't belch.
Yeah, come. I need more meat for this thing. Come, make I give me meat for that place. I want chicken. Bring 2 meat. Come.
Well, I don't think it's entirely a bad idea. No, but I just don't like the idea of him registering in a school at his big age. Nah, I don't like that. Nah.
So what else is he going to do? I mean, how is he going to learn basic things like everyday communication, ethics, and English?
Well, I will suggest. You see, I would suggest we get him a home tutor. Yes, I think that one is better. And I know him that when he hears of it, he's going to embrace that one. But not registering in a school. Nah. No.
I think it's a good idea.
That is better, right? Okay, let's do that.
I just hope he learns.
Yeah,
fast.
of course. That one is better.
Yes, ma'am. We'll start from there.
Yeah.
Mr. Chooks, today we'll be doing English grammar exercise. And what I have here is he was angry. Okay, take this thing and fill in just the way it is. Follow them accordingly. You read it to the last, and then there are options where you fill.
But they are come, listen, teacher. You dey give me elementary English. I know all these kind of things now. What you don't pass, you don't pass. I think what you supposed to teach me now, you know, encyclopedia English. Things like orangutan, you know, Australopithecus Americanus.
Mr. Chooks,
you know?
This is the level you have to start from.
I'm not in this level.
You see this place you're dreaming
Nah,
of?
I got on this level since. I know they here.
Okay, tomorrow we'll do another thing, but for today, this is what we're going to learn.
Okay, no, Anna, make I do. He was angry. ... me.
This is he was angry. Dash. This is where you're supposed to fill this thing. There are options here where you pick from and fill this place.
Okay, wait.
So it's a sentence.
About and in.
Exactly. He was angry. You either choose from here with or about or in. For this.
In.
He was angry. But no, say it yourself and hear how it sounds.
You know, see, oh God, person with the verse now. Person with the verse for person now. No be you. Now, if I the verse for you, I know the verse in you. I the verse inside you now. You the thing what you do me now, they vex me. The thing what you do me, they inside you now. So I the vex in you. I'm angry in you.
Mr. Chooks, the correct answer to this sentence is
It seems like you're going somewhere. Are you going to your friend's place?
Yes, I am. Any problem?
No, it's just that I'm bored and I don't have anywhere else to go to for now.
Wait, you mean you don't have any customers for today?
I beg, no insult me. Make I join you or make I not join you. After all, Doris, she's not coming anytime soon.
If you want.
Okay, good. Let me just go change.
hurry, oh.
I'm almost done.
It's hot here.
What is this one even feeling like?
Come, yeah, this small girl. Just carry your skinny self shift. Eh? What did they worry you now? Eh? You want to carry this your balloon, they rub it for body? Eh? You don't see your friend. Eh? See as you dey skinny girl like you want chop flesh. Your friend too, she tall, skinny, fine, sexy. See her lap is full, leg full. See her leg now. Eh? Your leg not too.
Oh, please. What are you even feeling like?
You okay? They had to collect AC. Mbweke.
Did he?
Yeah, Jezebel, what are you doing here?
Relax, okay? I came with Maria. Yeah, so she stepped out and I decided to make you a new recipe I learned online. Just for you.
She step out. Why you no follow her step out now?
Calm down. I don't mean any harm, okay? I just wanted to make something nice for you.
I dey fear you.
No.
Come. This girl, if like say your banji dey different from other banji. I don't tell you, come up for here. Maria, I know they here. You don't get the business for this house. Come on, don't tell me to relax, my friend.
Calm down.
Come up for here.
Relax. I know every man wants.
I don't go like to rough handle you. But na small thing.
Rough handle me, like.
You like it, Abi? Madam, come here. Yeah, this way. Come up for here.
It's okay. Don't push me.
Okay, wait. Don't even like you. I don't tell you since. When they come here, come over here. I don't want to hear this thing. No, come here again.
I love you, baby. I love you. I didn't know you were such a good man. She's gone now, so you don't need to worry.
Yeah, this girl. I don't know who said you come here. What is this? No. What is it with this? See? Note.
I love it.
Come on, girl. Get that. Come over here. Hey. So na Jezebel na. Maria.
You
care to explain what that was?
Explain what? Huh? What you saw is what it is, so please don't disturb me.
What are you trying to do? Go after my man? Huh?
Your man? From where? Have you seen where a man is met for one woman, even if he's married?
Laura Chuka is my boyfriend, and I demand an explanation as to what I saw.
Are you crying? Are you crying? Well, save it, because you would need it later.
I know what you did to this guy. Now you're throwing yourself on him because of what exactly? He now has money?
Mara, you really want us to do this thing this evening, right? Don't start it. He is not yours. He liked me first, so please.
Chuka is my man, so stay clear from him. Do not let us start this fight.
Maria, move!
Doris, you see your friend, right? You better talk to her about what she's doing. This is not fair at all. What is the meaning of all this now?
Talk to her about what exactly? I don't understand. You want her to say no to a man that is going after her.
Chuka is not going after her. She's the one throwing herself on him.
Oh, you poor little thing. Do you see it, do you? You know you're so classless. You don't even have a single class. That's why your street boyfriend, when he made money, he dumped you. He no longer finds you attractive. He no longer finds you attractive because he knows you belong to the street. You think it's by doing good girl. Good girl, no they pay. Okay? Good girl, no they pay. So please, spare me all that. Spare me all that.
Is this all you have to say?
Yes, yes. Please, you're so classless. So go for the classless guys. Leave the rich ones alone.
What are you doing here?
Baby, welcome.
Have you come to see your new classy chick?
We can't talk with this one. I can't see you.
Get out of my house.
You never reach that one. This girl.
I said you should get out. Can't you hear me?
I want everything to get.
Get out. Leave my house.
Baby, welcome.
Leave my house. Leave.
Hey.
Leave my house. Get out. Get out.
What is it?
Man, my babe.
Maria? Are you both quarreling?
Maria just come. He catch me with one girl and her friend. Not beside they even do anything with the girl. Just the girl rush me. One kiss me. I know they even give me back the girl. I they remove myself. Now she come sit down and come the verse. You know, come the act like I say me and the girl they do romance for her back.
Are you?
Mama, how now? I think the bad boy that year, no means they do bad things like that. Now, Maria a good girl. Me, I'm a good guy. Now only her they focus on sins. Now her friend now one JB that girl. Come one kiss me. And they push myself, come for the girl body. When I just come inside, she don't even want to hear anything. She just let's come out.
It's okay.
Man, no, okay. I want to come from her house now. If she push, if you see that she pursue me, come up from her house.
It's okay. I also know one thing. She loves you very much.
What she prove am now?
See, let me tell you. I know she will come to terms with it. Both of you will come to terms with it.
Okay. Yeah, what come on body love. Yeah?
And she loves you too. Just chill up, okay? Sit down. Don't worry. Oh, okay. Let me just massage you a little bit, okay?
That one they do me now.
Don't worry. Just cheer up. Just cheer up, okay? Tell me, how's your lesson going?
That guy no get sense at all. If I say that in bad head, all the book when you don't read, everything they come out, you know they enter inside. Now I call nonsense. Anyway, the thing they go where?
Okay, that's good to know. And okay, let me get you something to drink, okay?
No problem.
All right, darling.
Life, eh? Person no do anything, they go still they carry heavy load on top head. I no kiss, I no press, nothing. I just dey. While I come meet me. This girl, what do you find for here? Eh? What are you looking for here?
Calm down, relax. I was thinking, since your girlfriend has broken up with you, let me come keep you company. I figured you would need someone. From the bottom. Just let me take care of you.
Okay, I'm gonna come now. Come.
I should come?
Yeah, come.
I knew you were going to get along. Let me take care of you, okay?
But now small.
She can't do it like I will give it.
Small. I like a small, not be aggressive love.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, small.
Turn.
I should turn?
Small, just small like that.
I should turn?
Like this.
Wow, that's nice.
Yeah.
Fine.
If I see you here again, if I see you again, police here. Make I see you here again, idiot. Ashawo. Very cheap prostitute like you. Ashawo, you won't come marry fine boy, nah? Idiot. Make I even lock that door, safe. How this will take enter inside? Yeah?
I know what is going through your mind. I know. But I don't think my son did what you think you saw. Because if he did, he wouldn't run to me crying, in tears.
He did?
Yes. See, he loves you very much. Okay?
But I saw it. I saw them holding themselves, kissing and romancing each other. I saw it.
Well, I don't know what it is you think you saw. And I can't defend him. Okay? But let me tell you something. My son loves you even more than himself. He loves you very much. And I will suggest that you go back to your man. Don't give any girl any space to take over your man. No, don't do that. Let me tell you something. A wise girl protects her man and not run off. Okay? I will excuse both of you.
Babe, look me for eyeball now, we talk now. See, I just want to tell you what happened that day. Because since that time, he never even give me, excuse to express what happened to you. Eh? I just come, I jam that girl for kitchen. That girl na rascal. Eh? I push and come up once. That time when you enter inside house, I push and come out at that particular time where you come inside. Before anything, she don't turn, don't hook me for what, don't kiss me. That is I they try dodge the kiss.
You are lying.
I know they lie inside.
Why don't you just say the truth?
I know they lie.
You're lying, but I saw it.
What did
I
you
saw her holding you. I saw you both kissing and romancing
to God,
yourself.
na lie. That's no be kiss. See, not like this. It remains for me to touch, but you don't even touch. That mouth no touch. It says it then.
But I know what I saw.
What did you saw? Not be saw. What thing they saw, huh? Eh? You don't kiss me at all. I mean, they try to pursue the girl come out that time when you enter. You better say she time. She just say you enter that time. Now she just come.
She was all over you.
I no go lie give you nah. I will take lie give you again nah. Eh? All over me as of her now.
Then why did you let her?
I don't let them. I just dey my day, I dey push and comot. E be like say she just no say you dey come. That girl na evil spirit she be. That girl na on our banje. Because she just hook me, short girl like this.
You have always liked her from the beginning. Yes, you've always liked her, so I felt like maybe you just wanted to go back to her. You know one thing with you men, you always want to go to those classy ones.
As of her now, that girl na classy. You know how to buy that Man U defender. Eh? That girl be like Man U, now lost. She don't even anything for this life. How they kiss that kind girl? Akona. You still check them now. Eh? You know it's possible.
It's okay.
You know it's okay because I don't say for your mind, you still a thinker. Eh? Nothing happened. I just come back, just
it's
enter
okay.
inside
just
kitchen.
Stop explaining. It's okay.
No, but you need to understand the way it happen.
It's okay.
In that kitchen, they turn pot now. I think say na you. I just see that brown hair. I don't mark am. As she just turn like this, I come be pursue and come up for her.
I was just being jealous.
What your jealousy? Come they won't give me a heart attack now.
No, because I thought you wanted to go back to her. You know one thing with men, those things they say,
You know
when
good
a
now.
man finally have money, they want to go back to or go for their spec.
Which one be my
is the
spec? How
classy
do I take
ones.
my spec inside now? 4 feet 2.
It's okay.
Thank you. If na person wey fit big person. If you fight that girl, nah, if she give you a boot, eh?
So that's why you now run to report to mom.
Wetin I go do again now? At least it don't work. Hey.
Just don't do it again. Don't allow it.
I no do anything. I tell you now. Say that the girl pushing me on wall. I no even get hand inside the thing.
See, I am finally happy that you can see the good things I have been offering you.
No be say I know they see him before, you know. It's just that I dey try respect your friend. And I mean, you be fine girl, you know, you fine girl, but when she been there, I dey try respect her. But as she say she no want again.
I am even prettier than she is. Okay, I don't even know what you saw in her.
But come, you Steph, why you can't do that thing where you do that day? Eh? It be like say you just want me, she just feel say something, they stop between me and you. You bad girl. You're a very bad girl.
I am glad I succeeded. I mean, just look at her. She's classless. You don't need someone like her in your life. I am a better meal.
But even if I no deal with them, I mean, I'm still very good girl. You know that one for sure.
Yes, she is. But she sleeps with so many random guys that can barely even afford condoms.
You mean them?
Yes, I'm very serious. So I'm sure she must have even contracted 1 or 2 diseases from those guys. See, I am here.
What is Maria?
I am all you need.
But
Everything and more.
you are coming now. If I want to come do one with you and I don't want to use rubber, how will take? Come, I don't like condom.
I'm clean. I don't sleep with random guys.
So I fit knock you without condom.
Well done, Laura.
Wait. Is this a setup?
Setup? You're very predictable, my dear. Setting you up will be a waste of time. You know, I have always known you to be very poisonous. But selling yourself this cheap to a man is top-notch low class. Yet you claim to be classy. Telling such hectic lies about me because of a man, his money? Come on, girl. You know what? Just take your useless...
Please don't touch me!
Stand up as I'm talking! Take your useless self out of this house this minute, else you will not like me.
I was leaving.
If I see your feet here again,
You both deserve
Get
each
out!
other!
Get out! Babe, can you imagine?
I tell you now. I tell you.
I'm sorry.
No worry. That is now you don't carry your own eyes here.
I know, I'm sorry.
But you still need to carry and wipe out. To God, everything will work.
I'm not proud of it.
Okay. What's in the happen now?
Not now.
When now?
We are not married.
You know me now. At least we go still do the way we say we could do as a married couple. When we marry, we go add fire inside.
For now, no. Just wait until that time.
Yo, why did you do like this now? Okay, at least we feel jam out now. That is exchange saliva. If okay, we no go kiss.
You know, you just exercise patience.
No, they do like
small.
this now. Okay, see, now okay, just give me small kiss. Yeah.
Exercise small.
Based on say my babe. Okay, I don't come out that one inside. But kiss now. You no go say I no go kiss now. One way I come. No be like that and you the kiss dog. That's why you the kissing keta. Come kiss me better kiss, I'll be your man.
It's okay. Stop now.
Look now, see us sitting down right.
Just sleep. Exercise patience, okay? Until we get married, then you'll have me all to yourself.
So anytime with this thing, it's not good to do.
You will drink cold water to go down.
Cold water? Okay, they joke, Abi.
Drink cold water to go down. Just hold me and sleep.
Maria, you don't do well for this one, no.
Just hold me.
Okay, make I put finger.
I have always knew this girl was an enemy, for real. I mean, she has always been.
I knew it right from the beginning that she's not a good person. She's just full of pretense.
If you see the way they disgraced me.
Are you serious?
I was so ashamed of myself.
I'm so sorry. You know what, babe? Just leave them alone, okay? Just let them be.
It's okay. But she's not going to stay here with us anymore.
I agree. I totally
going to
agree with you.
tell her a piece of my mind when she gets here.
Yes. She has to leave this house.
Rubbish girl. Someone I was even trying to package properly.
Imagine.
Do you know what?
Good night. Good night, babe. Sleep tight. No, babe. Let's baby sexy. Yes. Give me that thing.
How the people again?
No, not like that. Be like, take the hand, like him. Good, beautiful. This is it. Babe, stop now. Yeah. No.
Okay.
Put your head down. Oh, baby, stop now. Okay.
Okay, make I stop you. Put picture of a woman. I don't want to do all this thing.
Babe, that's not how to snap now.
But are they
Put the camera well.
Like this?
No.
But they catch
like
the thing
this,
now.
like this. Calm down a bit. You set the camera so that it can be fine.
Try. This picture fine there. Yeah, you like it. Yeah.
Which kind of picture is this one?
You look fine.
Babe! I'll delete all these pictures.
No, delete them now.
I'll delete the pictures. The pictures are not fine.
If I'm not fine. You good like this.
Like now.
You don't stop it. I just stop
Yeah,
it.
sorry.
How could they stop it? Delete my picture.
Sorry, but maybe you don't know how to snap now. You don't know that
Yeah,
you
but
can
I'm not
put
the
your
photographer
hand.
now. You know the things why I pay do. I pay hustle like a hustle. Photographer do my hustle.
You learn it because you have to be my personal photographer.
Try. Don't be smart.
Yes, you can finish.
I don't want to snap it.
Okay, so what do you want to do?
But see, I just can't tell you now. I don't I'm not ready to marry like this.
Really?
I'll marry my babe.
Hey, that's good news.
Yes.
You know, I've always liked her. She's the perfect woman for you.
Thank you.
She's the only one that knows how to put you in your right place.
Thank you. So what's it when they talk now?
Of course, you have my blessings and my permission.
Oh, thank you, Mama. Thank you.
See, what you're going to do is, please, don't mess things up.
Mama, I want to mess things up now. I don't fit now. I don't fit try. They don't bother me where to do that kind of thing. I don't fit. I can't go now. You know, say, man, I go start the, I see the hot.
Yeah.
Man, I go start the run.
Oh.
In fact, I talk well for English since I don't learn this English since. I want to try. No. I want to for marry Maria.
No, it's wrong. I want to marry Maria.
Okay. Now they forbid the problem.
Yes.
I want to marry Maria.
Yes, that's right now.
Yes.
Congratulations,
Thank you,
darling.
Mama.
I'm so proud of you.
Thank you.
Well, this calls for celebration. Gladys! Okay, get us something to drink, okay?
Mortuary standard. Code, I beg. Baby, Abba, get me a ring that book ready for floor. Just put them well, make it stand well for table.
Okay. Like this, right? Hey, what is this?
A ring now.
Ring?
Open and you go like her.
Babe! You want to propose to me?
Of course, now. I won't marry you. I don't buy the ring now. Put them for your finger, make me see whether you go enter.
Just like that?
You don't like them? Yeah, come now, expensive ring gold. This one now 18 karat gold and diamond. Very expensive. No be madam ring. This one now from imported.
Babe, it's not like that. You don't expect me to just wear a ring myself. It's not done.
So make us come, make I bang bouncer to come put up for your hand.
No.
I've been a police.
You will take the ring, open it, go on your knee, ask me to marry you. Say sweet things. That's the right way to do it.
You just want to punish person.
Babe, stand up. Do it the right way. Let me teach you how to do it.
Why not you stand up now?
Kneel.
Make a knee down. Full man like me, make a knee down.
Oh God, babe, can you just be serious?
Yeah. If I
Kneel.
tell me make a knee down, hands up now. Which one be say make a knee down?
No, just kneel. One kneel, not the two. Just one.
Hey.
Babe, be serious now.
I go tell full man make man knee down.
Do you want me to marry you or not? Not your two knees, just one.
I want down like this.
Okay, fine. Take the ring. Say sweet things.
No. Sweet things.
No! Say sweet and nice things to me.
Okay, the nice things now they miss now. Okay. Sweet and nice things.
Babe, say sweet things, good things about me. What now. Come on, stop this.
Why you can't make proposal today hard now? Now simple something, put ring, marry.
Babe, say
No
sweet
problem.
and nice things to me.
Yeah. You are the chocolate in my ice cream. You are the icing in the cake. Ugebem. Acholugo wanyama. Tomato juice. Come on, bring your hand. Come here. Will you marry me?
Yes, I will marry you. Come here, baby.
Come here, come. This Nida one, Nida propose this thing. Make I know your divorce tomorrow.
Go for
Because
it.
now all these TikTok and Instagram girls, you know they had them. Divorce.
No, I'm not going to divorce.
He talked to me
you.
anyhow.
No,
divorce.
as long
He
as
came
you're
back late.
romantic
Divorce.
and
No divorce me, oh.
learn how to be romantic and I'll divorce you.
Hey. I don't go buy you nonsense before. I'm not going to buy you nonsense before. See, I'm now. Eh?
Well, who is the latest, newest bride in town?
It is you. It is you.
You know now when I'm talking, this is how in my hand.
And now I don't need to fight anybody for street. If anybody see this thing for hand, can't toast you. If they can't toast you, I go fight you.
Can you just stop? This is beautiful.
But I go still warn you now. Because it's not the hard for boys to toast you. They go see you, they don't go nowhere.
Don't worry, anywhere I go now, this is how I'll be working.
Cheers, dear. Welcome to the family.
Thank you, Ma.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Wow. There's no better time than this. Okay, I want to show you something. Oh, I like it. You see, my son and I, we have waited for this day. And there's no better time than now. You are a family member now. And I hope that you're ready to accept our offer as the general manager of Argos Agrochemical Company Limited. Yes, please.
What?
Please.
Ma, you mean me?
Yes, it's you. There's no better person.
But Ma, I'm not sure this...
I know you are sure and I know you can do it. Please, do me these honors of accepting this offer, please. You see, my son is going to be working with you until he can stand on his own. Okay? Please. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Ma. Honestly, I don't know what I have done to deserve this trust and love.
You have done many things now.
You're my family now.
But I must say that I appreciate it. And I promise not to ever let you down.
I know. Come here.
Us too, we appreciate you too for accepting it. Eh?
Thank you.
Oh.
Let's go on that cheese now.
Okay.
Cheers.
Cheers. Well, let's go to the table. The table is set.
Okay.
Come with your drinks.
There's more drink that
Yes.
Let's go. Mama, this is also that I'm working with her. I don't think so. She can be by herself.
Where do you think you're going to? Eh? Where do you think you're going to? Huh? So you still have the nerves to show your face here after what you did to me? You better have a plan B because your time here is up. Yes.
Well, girls, I am not here to banter words with you. Because you know what? You're looking at the newly engaged, soon-to-be bride. And the new manager of the Argos Agrochemical multi-million company. What? Yes, you heard me right. In the end, what happens? My light shines brighter. As a decent girl, you cannot even attempt to dim it. Excuse me.
Please pack all your stuff.
You know what? I left a few of my things in there because I won't be needing them. So you two can have it.
Oh, please keep your stinky things to yourself. Nobody wears rag here.
Poor thing. You still have my rent balance. You can have it. Hungry looking brats. You will find peace in the end, girls.
Teach him some English. How did you end up engaging her?
Just let them be.
He's not even my
Just let them be, okay? Everything's going to be fine. Okay? Just calm down. Miss me, I'm so shocked right now. Oh my god.
Hey, Ibiako.
Hey, baby.
What is my beautiful wife cooking?
See who is learning very fast.
I get the best teacher now.
It's I have the best teacher. Say it.
I have the best teacher. Say it.
Oh, come on, babe. Don't say
I
say
just
it.
they play with you. And what I'm saying, I have the best teacher.
Beautiful. That's my baby.
Me and English is 5 and 6.
Not is 5 and 6.
Okay, me and English is 5 and 6. You see, I'm.
Baby, you're learning fast. And
I'm a fast learner.
So, baby, just make yourself comfortable.
Thank you, my lovely wife.
My ODOGWU.
Thank you, my lovely wife.
Okay.
Do and come, let us
me
eat.
get straight to the shit. Okay.
It's my wife to
Come
like
here.
you. Try. Try. I go poop and too. I go poop and too. Don't try me. You do it one more time, I poop and see ya. Hey, English my own babe.
Lightning, my